So when it comes to snacks in our house, we generally keep things really simple and basic. It's just grab a piece of fruit or some cheese out of the fridge or some already sliced veggies. But sometimes we want something more, something slightly salty and crunchy, like a cracker or chips. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make one of our favorite snacks. These are the easiest crackers you'll ever make. Well, okay, they're technically not crackers, they're actually Parmesan Crisps, but they taste just like a cracker. The best thing is these crackers are only made with one ingredient, and that's Parmigiano Reggiano. And thanks to Parmigiano Reggiano for sponsoring this video, I'm gonna show you just how easy these are to make at home so you don't have to pay a fortune and buy them in the store. Okay, London, you ready to make some crisps?
Yes.
Okay, so to make these Parmesan crisps, like I said, all you need is Parmigiano Reggiano. So we're gonna grate this to start. So Parmigiano Reggiano is a cheese that is made in Italy in a very small region in Italy in order for it to be the real deal and authentic. And this cheese is 100% natural. It's made with only 3 ingredients. You're doing a great job there. So it's made with milk, and this milk has to come from cows that graze in the meadow and only eat hay with no pesticides used. And then it also includes salt, which the salt is used to then brine the cheese. And then finally rennet, which is just like the catalyst used to start the fermentation process, because cheese is a fermented food, which you guys know I love fermented foods. And it's made with just those 3 ingredients: milk, Mediterranean salt, and rennet. Lennon, you are doing a great job. And we want about 2 cups of this cheese. We're just gonna put this in the oven and let it bake for about 5 minutes. So easy. I think that's about 2 cups right there. So I'm just gonna grab some pepper. I like to add pepper to this. You wanna do this, kiddo? Yeah, okay. And I'm gonna grab one more thing, some Italian seasoning, just to kind of add extra flavor to the crisps. Okay, we're good to go. Let's throw this in the oven and we're gonna bake these crisps for about 5 minutes until they're nice and golden and they're turning that, golden brown color. Ready? Okay, so I just pulled the crisp out of the oven. I baked this for about 5 minutes at 425. You'll know that it's ready to be taken out of the oven when it's this nice golden color. So now I've let this cool for about 10 minutes, and I'm just gonna flip this crisp over. You can see it's one nice sheet of crispy Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And I have a towel here. I like to just blot this crisp because some of the oils in the cheese do come out, and I don't want those transferring over and having like oily fingers when we enjoy this. Okay, so I've done that. As you can see, there's a little bit of oil that's come off on my towel here. This crisp, so nice and crispy. Looks so good. I'm gonna cut this. Can you hear that? How crispy it is? Into what looks like crackers. See that? So good. Just like a cracker with just one ingredient, Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay. Let me layer my plate here with our crispy Parmesan crisp and take this to the kids.